How to handle cactus without hurting your fingers. The first choice for many is using gloves, but this is not my favorite. This is my favorite, rubber cups. You need at least 3 of this, then you can handle prickly cactus. There are many materials: rubber, plastic, metal, and leather. You can handle this with leather. You can also use food thongs like this one. But if you're in this situation, you'll need tweezers like this one to remove the hook from your finger. There you go. But if you're new and you don't have any tools yet and you need to move some cactus, you can use paper. Just fold it and you can hold the prickly cactus. For accidents like this, your tools is very handy. This one, I'm using a full thumb. Put it back. Done.